Welcome to our tutorial about Inventor Fusion's steering wheel. It's the top icon in the navigation bar. To activate it, you just click on it. As you mouse around the graphic area, the wheel follows you. Here's the default navigation wheel. Let's mouse over the zoom tool. It's highlighted in green. Left click to activate. Hold your left mouse button down and drag the mouse to zoom in and out. Try the orbit tool. To change the center position, just press down the control key. Mouse over to your desired position and then release the control key. Let's try it again. Press down the control key. Press down the control key to set a new pivot point. Move to the right position, and then let the control key go. Here's the rewind option, and this basically provides you with a viewing history. Let's take a look at the pan tool. Center. Walk. Left and right. Up and down. The look tool. And the up and down tool. To close the navigation wheel, click this X in the top right corner. Go back to the navigation bar to reactivate it. Just left click again. In the bottom right corner, there's an arrow. We can click on this to get some more viewing options. Let's try the mini full navigation wheel. So this gives us all the tools that we had previously just in that little pie. And back to the full wheel. There's a number of other options. We'll just show you a few of these here. Basic wheels, view object, and tour building wheel. Now we have 4 different tools: forward, look, rewind, and up and down. Let's go back to the full wheel. Expand the View Options menu. Let's take a look at some properties now. This dialog window is where we set size and opacity, etc. Up top are the big wheels. We can set size and opacity. Currently, opacity is at 50% and size is normal. Down below, we set the same parameters for the mini wheels. Size and opacity have the same settings as the big wheels. Check here to show tool messages, wheel tooltips, and tool cursor text. Beneath, we have an option for the look tool. Check here to invert the vertical axis. Basically, what this does is swap the vertical axis. Back to properties here. For the walk tool, we can increase the speed. For the zoom tool, we can enable incremental zoom. So what this means is that when I left click, I'll zoom in increments. Let's go back to properties. The last 2 options are keep scene upright and center pivot on selection. Fusion also gives us a button to restore the factory defaults. Let's click OK and exit the properties window. And let's close the navigation wheel. And this concludes our tutorial about Inventor Fusion's navigation wheel or steering wheel.